Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for tuning in once again. I have a very special sneaker that I just recently picked up. Got it for retail, got lucky. As you can tell by the title, you already know what it is. I'm just gonna do a quick brief overview, show you a couple of different outfits with the sneaker, do what I do best. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you're tuning in, you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I would appreciate it very much. And if you're already subscribed, you're the real MVP. Now, like I said, as you can see by the title, you already know the sneakers that I have in hand. Boom, check out this box. Got the MJ hands, Union, you already know the vibes. Size 9. Let's get into the unboxing. All right, two-tone box, pale yellow, baby blue. Unbox this thing. You got the MJ paper. Very, very nice. It's all about the details. Boom. Look at this sneaker. Right off the bat, we've got a baby blue Union Jordan hang tag. Tan, light pink suede upper. Very thick cut. Then you've got mesh on the toe box. But it's a very heavy duty mesh. It's not some like cheap mesh. As well as the midfoot. Then you got the rubber cage that comes standard on a Jordan 4. Then you can see the eyelets here, the Guava and the Ice, Guava Ice. Translucent wing that doesn't have a cutout as normally. Nike Air on the back. Then you've got the folded down tongue that you can actually unstitch. There's a couple of people doing that. I don't think I'm gonna do that right away, but you can unstitch and it becomes a regular tongue. There's the outsole aged yellow, Union LA tag, and you've got the yellow laces to match that tag. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will see you real soon in the next video. Peace.